Chasing after your dreams is lonely. No one will understand your struggles. Such sacrifices are silent and without rewards. You must be content with your own being. Silence has all the powerful answers you are looking for. Give it a chance to flow through you. Don't waste words on people who deserve your silence. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. A seed grows with no sound, but a tree falls with a huge noise. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. This is the power of silence. Grow silently. The story of your life is in your hands. You alone have the power to write the next chapter. Remember the past, but live for today, and strive for an even better tomorrow. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt with the heart. Most valuable lessons in life cannot be taught, they must be experienced. Life teaches you a new lesson every day, if you are attentive enough in the class of life. Strength does not come from winning, your struggles develop your strength. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. You have to love yourself, because no amount of love from others is sufficient to fill the yearning that your soul requires from you. No one will ever fully be able to understand the internal battles you had to endure, just to heal, just to grow, just to make it here today. Be proud of the way you fought to save yourself, be proud of the way you survived. Sometimes, good things fall apart so better things can fall together. Don't try to repair the bond you didn't break. If they really care, they will make the effort to fix it.